Warning, this video is heavily inspired from the one and only Ian Hubert, so if you want to call me lazy ass for copying his content, man, get out of here. I'm telling on how I made my render and I just want to share it with you guys. Much love to Ian, by the way. Enable the import images as plain add-on, then import images as plain. Edge loops. Control R is the shortcut, by the way. Rearrange the UV so it makes more sense. Extrude, extrude, and extrude. Repeat these steps. For the windows, make a new material, plug it into a translucent shader, select the windows, then click Assign. Add a light, but not that bright. For the glass, plug it into a gloss shader and make the color a little blue-greenish. Import an HDR. Use an array modifier for the building. For the roads, plug the base image to the base color. Roughness to the roughness socket with a color ramp. Normal to normal with a normal map. Go to mixer mode. Make some people with animations. Import. Make a bunch of them. Make a curve. Add an array and curve modifier. I drop the curve. Increase the array amount. Also import some random 3D models to make it more crowded. Or maybe make some. At last, make a sunlight and make it a little bit orange. And there you have it. There I have it. Well, you can have it in my Patreon. Consider support me through Patreon. Project files and my assets and all that good stuff is in my Patreon. Thanks for watching my video. Goodbye.